Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cynthia Maynard, and I have my finished tag flip to go ahead and show you. That's the cover that we talked about in the last video with the parchment paper and alcohol inks and copper embossing, and I love that look. Very nice and crispy. I went ahead and tied some 1.5 inch seam binding, and I get that from Really Reasonable Ribbon. Let me get my little bee somehow got turned around here. My little bee is on there. Alright, so let's go ahead and look through. Just a little reminder, these are the tattered lace docket tags. So there's that one, and then I just left a lot of room for journaling and adding things on that. I took this stamp from Crafty Individuals, and I stamped that with some archival dark brown ink, and then just put a little white gesso on there just to give it a little something something. That is double-sided. I have this bird paper. This hasn't changed much. The other side has. As you can see, I've got some brads here. I debated about covering those. I might put a little lace or something on them, but I wanted to keep it optional in case people wanted to do things with the next page, and you'll see what I mean by that. So the next page is kind of fun. I've got these brads and these tags. This is from a Biggs Tim Holtz Tiny Tags die, if you have that one. And let me just show you. Let me zoom in here so I can put that down. It's holding on my little booklet here, holding it closed, and this is double-sided. And this is the tag that I showed in my last video from Studio Light Essentials. That was really hard to get a hold of, those dies, and I have them here and I'm making things with those. But anyway, so what you do is you just move these, and then you have a little thing that opens up here, and then on this side this opens up here. So fun little interactive hiding journaling spot there, and went ahead and put that on there. So fun. Moving along, I left this pretty open for journaling here. On the flip side as well, there's that one, that one. I did add a stamped piece here from that Crafty Individuals. It's like a damask bit there. And then that side. So it's a fun little tag booklet to go ahead and journal with. It can stand alone on its own. It can certainly go, let me zoom out a little bit here. It can go tuck into another journal. It can be some happy mail, however you want to use that. But fun little way to get some memories down there and do some journaling. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.